for those that have not logged in, you will see a different login screen. It looks very similar to the previous one, but it has changed just a little bit. No big deal, just a different login. One thing that has taken a new design a little bit. It actually looks somewhat the same, but how it functions is different. The navigation bar on the left-hand side, it looks pretty much the way it did. However, we've added a hide menu button down here at the bottom. And it will either say hide menu, or if you're already in a compact view where it's just showing the icons, it'll just show the icon for hide menu. What this does is whenever you do hide this, it removes it from a pinned left-hand side and moves and creates a little menu up here at the top. And whenever you click on that, then it will drop down in either the compact mode or the open mode, depending on which one you choose to be in. The advantage here is for those people that are on mobile or whatever, it's not taking up that extra space, even though it can be very small. This here, is relatively reduced on a mobile device. That takes up extra space that we just didn't want to use up. So the menu then allows you to free up that extra space on the mobiles. So
where do you unpin that, Mark? I'm sorry.
Yeah, up here at the top, you click on the little menu to show it, but down here at the very bottom, there'll be either a little pin button. So if I want to pin it, or it'll be a hide menu. It's a little menu button with the X on it to hide it.
And then how do you get it back?
And then you click on the three bars at the top left, and then you just click on the icon down at the bottom. It's just a matter of hiding it for those people that don't really need to see it all the time. It is an extra click by having it hidden. So I mean, you click once and then you click somewhere else, it goes away, but it opens up your screen to full screen capability. So that's kind of nice for those people that, especially on the smaller screens, you want to be able to see more. But then I'm doing an extra click if you're doing other things. So definitely something to think about whenever you're doing that.
Thank you.